Today we're showing you some surprisingly compact designs. They don't just save space, but also make life more convenient. How do these mini gadgets change everyday routine? Let's take a look. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Portable Handheld Turbo Fan. The Portable Handheld Turbo Fan is a compact and efficient cooling solution ideal for outdoor activities, travel, and on-the-go work environments. Designed with Air Turbo Tech, this 3-in-1 fan offers powerful wind performance across 5 adjustable speed levels, allowing users to customize airflow intensity based on their needs. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it can operate for up to 12 hours, making it a reliable companion during long days in the heat. Its portable and ergonomic design ensures easy handling and storage, fitting conveniently into backpacks or bags. Whether you're commuting, camping, or working outdoors, this fan delivers a refreshing breeze without the noise or bulk of traditional fans. The turbo air circulation technology enhances airflow efficiency, helping users stay cool and comfortable even in extreme temperatures. Product 2. Product name: Coffee Cups with Lids. The 16 ounces coffee cups with lids, 100 pack, offer a practical and professional solution for serving hot or cold beverages in various settings, such as offices, cafes, catering events, or home use. These disposable cups are made from insulated ripple paper, which helps retain heat while remaining comfortable to hold, eliminating the need for a separate sleeve. The ripple design also enhances grip, reducing the risk of spills. Each cup comes with a secure fitting lid that helps prevent leaks and keeps drinks warmer longer. With a sleek black exterior, these cups provide a stylish, modern look suitable for a range of uses from serving espresso and lattes to juice or water. The 16 ounces size strikes a balance between portability and capacity, making them ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. Product 3. Product name: Smart Robot Pet Dog. The V24 Advanced Smart Robot Pet Dog is a cutting-edge interactive companion designed to entertain and engage children with the power of artificial intelligence. Equipped with GPT-4, it brings lifelike responsiveness and conversational abilities, allowing it to understand and react to voice commands in real time. Its advanced gesture recognition technology means kids can interact with the robot dog using simple hand motions, enhancing the play experience without the need for a remote. Engineered for immersive companionship, the V24 offers a range of behaviors from playful tricks to emotional responses that mimic those of a real pet, all while eliminating the need for feeding, walking, or cleanup. The inclusion of a charging dock ensures it remains ready for play, and its educational and developmental benefits make it ideal for both boys and girls. Product 4. Product name: Mini PC. A mini PC like the one featuring an Intel 12th Gen N95 processor, up to 3.4 GHz, 16 GB RAM, and a 512 GB SSD offers a compact yet powerful solution for users seeking high performance in a small form factor. Designed for space-saving desktop setups, this mini computer is well suited for a wide range of tasks from everyday productivity and media streaming to light content creation and multitasking. Key highlights include: Intel N95 processor. The quad-core CPU delivers strong performance for daily computing while maintaining energy efficiency. 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB SSD ensures smooth multitasking and fast data access, reducing load times and improving system responsiveness. Dual 4K display support. Thanks to dual HDMI outputs, the mini PC can drive two 4K monitors simultaneously, ideal for multitasking or entertainment setups. USB 3 and connectivity. High-speed USB 3.0 ports support fast peripheral access, while built-in dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable internet connectivity. Portability. Its small size makes it easy to carry or discreetly install behind monitors or in tight workspaces. Product 5. Product name: HOTO Tire Inflator. The HOTO Tire Inflator Portable is a compact and high-performance electric air pump designed for on-the-go convenience and efficient tire maintenance. Featuring a powerful 12V motor and a robust 7500 mAh rechargeable battery, it can inflate car, motorcycle, and bicycle tires as well as sports balls without needing a separate power source. With a maximum pressure of 120 psi and an easy-to-read digital pressure gauge, it ensures accurate inflation and auto shut-off when the preset pressure is reached. This model aligns closely with your interest in portable air solutions, such as the Lexan P4 Smart Air Pump, offering similar functionality but with a larger battery capacity and higher pressure support. It's cordless, easy to carry, and ideal for roadside emergencies, weekend rides, or daily tire checks, making it a versatile tool for both outdoor and home use. Product 6. Product name: Portable Waist Fan. The 14500 mAh Portable Waist Fan is a high-performance, hands-free cooling solution designed for individuals working or spending time in hot, outdoor environments such as construction sites, campsites, or during travel. This fan clips securely to your belt or waistband, delivering targeted airflow through its dual air vents while keeping your hands and neck free for movement. With a powerful 14500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 40 hours of cooling time on a single charge, ideal for extended use. The fan operates at 5 adjustable speeds, reaching up to 14,600 RPM, allowing users to customize the airflow intensity based on conditions. Built-in LED lighting adds utility for nighttime or low-light tasks, and its rugged, compact design ensures it's easy to wear during active use without getting in the way. Product 7. Product name: Cordless Water Flossers. Cordless water flossers are innovative dental hygiene tools designed to provide a powerful yet portable solution for cleaning between teeth and along the gum line. Unlike traditional floss or countertop water flossers, cordless models are battery-powered, lightweight, and ideal for both home use and travel. They work by emitting a steady or pulsating stream of pressurized water that removes plaque, food debris, and bacteria, helping to reduce gum disease and improve oral health. A standout example in this category is the MySmile LP221 UVC sterilizable cordless water flosser. It combines convenience and advanced features in a sleek, travel-friendly design. Key highlights include a 335 ml water reservoir, which is generous for a cordless model and supports extended flossing sessions without frequent refills. An OLED display for easy mode and battery tracking. 4 customizable flossing modes to suit different sensitivity levels and dental needs. UVC sterilization technology, which helps sanitize internal components to reduce bacterial growth, an uncommon but valuable feature in portable units. Product 8. Product name: Car Headrest Hidden Hook. The Tuveren upgraded 2-pack car headrest hidden hook is a smart and practical car interior accessory designed to enhance vehicle organization and passenger convenience. This 2-in-1 device functions as both a heavy-duty headrest hook and a foldable phone holder, making it ideal for daily commutes, road trips, and family outings. The hidden hook design means it tucks discreetly behind the headrest post when not in use, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look in your car. Crafted from high-quality metal with a stylish silver finish, these hooks can support bags, purses, backpacks, groceries, toys, and even bottles, preventing them from rolling around or spilling onto the seats or floor. The integrated phone holder flips out from the hook and securely grips most smartphones, providing hands-free entertainment for backseat passengers, especially useful for kids during long drives. Product 9. Product name: Bug Catching Tool. The Carson Bug View 5X Magnifier Quick Release Bug Catching Tool, Model HU10, is an engaging and educational device designed for kids and adults interested in observing insects and small critters up close. Functioning both as a magnifying glass and a gentle bug catcher, this tool features a 5x power acrylic lens for detailed viewing, and a one-handed quick-release mechanism that allows users to safely catch and release insects without harming them. It's particularly well suited for STEM learning, nature exploration, and outdoor educational activities, making it a popular choice for families, educators, and budding naturalists. The Bug View encourages hands-on interaction with the natural world, helping children and adults alike develop curiosity about entomology and biology in a safe and humane way. Its compact design and intuitive functionality make it accessible for young users while still offering value to adults who enjoy nature observation. Product 10. Product name Mini 4G Unlock Smartphone. The Mini 4G Unlock smartphone is a compact and portable mobile device designed specifically for kids, students, or those looking for a small, easy-to-carry phone. With its 3.0-inch screen, this phone is ideal for children, offering a simple, user-friendly interface. It's equipped with a dual SIM capability, so you can use two phone numbers simultaneously, making it convenient for both personal and school use. The phone operates on a quad-core processor and has 2 GB of RAM paired with 16 GB of internal storage, which is adequate for basic tasks like calling, texting, and light browsing. The 2600 mAh battery ensures extended usage, providing a full day of use for kids or students on the go. It is unlocked for use with any 4G network, so it is flexible and can be used with a variety of carriers globally. Available in a playful pink color, this mini smartphone is not only practical but also appeals to younger users with its cute design. Product 11. Product name X1 Drone with Camera. The X1 Drone with Camera is a versatile, self-flying camera drone designed for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. It features a foldable mini design, making it compact and portable, ideal for those looking for a convenient drone to take on the go. One of its standout features is Follow Me mode, which allows the drone to track and capture footage of the user as they move, making it perfect for activities like vlogging, outdoor sports, or travel documentation. The HDR video capture ensures that your footage has high definition and rich detail, especially in varying lighting conditions. The drone also supports palm takeoff, meaning it can be launched with ease directly from your hand, adding a fun and intuitive way to control it. With intelligent flight paths, the X1 drone can autonomously follow pre-programmed routes, allowing for creative and dynamic shots without needing constant manual control. Hands-free control is another highlight, providing greater ease in operation, especially for beginners or those looking for a more relaxed flying experience. Product 12. Product name Yoase Mini Shaver. The Yoase Mini Shaver is a portable, on-the-go electric razor designed for men who need a convenient and efficient shaving experience. With its sleek alloy build, this shaver offers a modern and compact design, making it easy to carry around while traveling. It features USB-C rechargeability, ensuring quick and efficient charging, and an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it can be easily rinsed clean under water for hassle-free maintenance. This cordless travel shaver offers dry shave capabilities, providing a smooth shave without the need for water or shaving cream. The battery indicator ensures you always know when it's time to recharge, so you're never left with a dead battery at the wrong moment. Its easy-to-clean design adds to the convenience, ensuring that upkeep is quick and simple. Product 13. Product name iPhone Car Charger. The iPhone Car Charger you're referring to is a versatile and convenient solution for charging devices on the go. This 4-in-1 retractable fast car phone charger adapter is designed to provide efficient charging for multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for users who own iPhones, such as models 16/15/14/13/12/11 Pro, as well as Samsung smartphones. With a total power output of 131 W, it ensures rapid charging for devices that support fast charging protocols. One of the standout features of this charger is its retractable cables, which extend up to 31.5 inches, offering flexibility and convenience without cluttering the car space. Additionally, it includes 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at the same time. This makes it perfect for family trips or long commutes, where everyone can charge their phones or other USB-powered devices. Product 14. Product name Vantrue N4 Pro. The Vantrue N4 Pro 4K 3-channel dashcam is an advanced in-car recording system designed to provide comprehensive coverage with its front, interior, and rear cameras. This dashcam offers 4K resolution for the front camera, ensuring high-quality video recordings, while the rear and interior cameras record in 1080p resolution. The Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, along with PlatePix trademark technology, delivers exceptional night vision, enabling clear footage even in low light conditions, making it a strong option for those concerned about security during nighttime driving or parking. Key features of the Vantrue N4 Pro include HDR, high dynamic range, technology, which enhances video quality by balancing exposure levels in high contrast situations, ensuring clear and detailed recordings. It also includes voice control, which allows users to operate the camera hands-free, providing added convenience while driving. The dashcam comes with Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities, making it easier to review and share footage via mobile apps and track vehicle location and speed. A standout feature of this model is its 24H parking mode, which provides continuous surveillance while your vehicle is parked, offering protection against potential hit and runs or theft. It supports a maximum storage of 512 GB, allowing for extended recording times, and ensures that important footage is captured and stored efficiently. Product 15. Product name Godox Magic XT1. The Godox Magic XT1 is a cutting-edge 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system designed to enhance audio capture for content creators across various platforms, including TikTok, YouTube, and live streaming. Its innovative features and compact design make it a versatile tool for vloggers, podcasters, and mobile journalists. Key features: integrated transmitter and receiver. The Magic XT1 introduces a unique 2+1=1 design, where the two transmitters are housed within the receiver unit. This integration allows for both charging and storage of the transmitters within the receiver, streamlining the setup and reducing the need for additional accessories. High-resolution audio. Equipped with premium microphone components, the Magic XT1 delivers 48 kHz/24-bit high-resolution audio with a 70 dB signal-to-noise ratio and a maximum sound pressure level of 115 dB. This ensures clear and professional-grade sound quality for recordings. Multiple recording modes. The system offers 3 recording modes: mono, stereo, and A-6 dB safety track to cater to different recording scenarios and provide backup audio to prevent potential issues during recording. Product 16. Product name HOTO Cordless Hot Glue Gun. The HOTO Cordless Hot Glue Gun is a highly functional and sleek tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. Its minimalist style makes it not only effective but also aesthetically pleasing. It heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing for a fast and efficient crafting experience. The Smart Power Off feature enhances safety by automatically turning off the device when it's not in use, reducing energy consumption and preventing overheating. One of the standout features is its USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring that you can conveniently power it up for use without worrying about disposable batteries. With intelligent temperature control, the glue gun can maintain the ideal temperature for a wide range of tasks, from crafting to home repairs. Its compact design allows for ease of use, and it's small enough to store without taking up too much space. The kit comes with 10 glue sticks, making it ready for various applications right out of the box.